Hey gamers, is lag ruining your experience in Once Human? Don't worry, today I will show you how to fix lag and boost your FPS for a smoother, more immersive gameplay. Let's dive in. First of all, tweak your in-game settings to balance visuals and performance. Open Settings, go to the game menu and click on Settings, Graphics tab, find the graphics section, lower resource intensive options, resolution, set your native monitor resolution or lower it slightly, graphics quality, start with low or medium, shadows, set shadows to low or off, anti-aliasing, disable it or set it for FXAA, texture quality, adjust based on your VRAM, set to low for older GPUs. Frame rate cap. If available, set the FPS cap to match your monitor's refresh rate, like 60 FPS. Apply the settings and restart the game to test the difference. Now, update drivers. Outdated drivers can cause major performance issues. Graphics card drivers update your NVIDIA or AMD drivers through their official software. NVIDIA use GeForce Experience. AMD use the Adrenaline software. Now, Windows updates ensure your OS is up to date for optimal compatibility. Now, optimize Windows for gaming. Make sure your system is focused on gaming performance. Go to Settings, click Gaming, Game Mode and turn it on. Disable background apps. Press Ctrl Shift Escape to open Task Manager, end unnecessary apps and processes running in the background. Configure NVIDIA or AMD control panel. Fine-tune your GPU settings for performance. For NVIDIA users, open NVIDIA control panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, set Power Management mode to prefer maximum performance, enable low latency mode. For AMD user, open Adrenaline software, set performance tuning to preset gaming for balanced performance. Reduce network lag. Lag isn't just FPS, it can also be your connection. Wired connection, use an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Optimize Wi-Fi. Move closer to your router. Reduce devices using your network. Check ping. Use a service like speed test to ensure your ping is stable and low. And that's it. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in FPS and reduced lag in Once Human. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let me know in the comments how these tips worked for you. See you in the game. Thanks for watching.